Hi guys, it's me, Whimsical Sage. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Kittycorn surprise. Remember the last time I had another one? Well, this is part 2. So as you see here, we have kitty ears coming out of the egg and the horn, and their eyes glow, the kitty cats, and they're in the Kittycorn egg. There are 10 surprises to collect and 7 kitties to collect. And at the back, we see kitties everywhere. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I can't open it. Wait. Look at the kitty cat. It's so cute and adorable. And it has... Oh, it's so cute. Look at the cute little eyes, the horn, the ear, the wings, and the tail. Let's peel it off. Wow, it looks so pretty. Aww. Let's open up the slime. I think I need my scissors. There we go. Let's get out the litter compound. Wow, it's blue. And it's kind of... Wow, it doesn't stick to anything. And it's super stretchy. Let's take out the egg. Looks like it has Hey, can this get... Oh, isn't this a cutie? It's so cute. Look at this cutie. Isn't it cute? It has a little purple bow tie. And look at the tail. And oh, it's so cute. It's really cute and adorable. Now let's look at the checklist. Let's look which one did we get. We got this one, and I think we got the one that glows in. Ooh, we can actually put them in our pencils. So we got this little kitty cat, and we got this kitty cat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. kitties to collect. Isn't this cute? And we can put the little kitties on the pencils. The previous one was Bubbles, and the one that we have now is Clover. Here are the stickers. And now let's take out the one that we got. Okay. Now here it is. Let's put it on the egg so I can know that it's this one. Let's put it on the egg. Great! Look at the sticker on the egg. Isn't it pretty? It looks super cool. In the kitty, we can put it on the pencil. We can put it on a pencil. It's pretty cute. Let me show you how. How cute is this? You can literally put it on your pencil if you have this egg. There we go. Isn't it pretty and cute? Yes! Oh, it's so cute. So this is all we got. The egg, the kittycorn, slime, the small kittycorn, stickers, the egg, the tunas, and the slime. Meow, 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 meow. Oh look, a pretty little kitty. Aw, you're coming with me. Come on, get in my ear. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and like. Share this video with your friends.